7 billion population in the world, 5.4 billion people are in the phone now. And when you share that, what happens? 6 will say, I just want to consume the product. Let them. You are not going to sell them. They're going to buy from the company directly because you just make them member of the system. When they buy from the company regularly, you make some money also. Secondly, the three of them will become as retailers, maybe beauty centers, doctors, and all that. And in India, a lot of doctors, all 3 doctors are doing a wonderful job. In Sri Lanka, a lot of doctors are a wonderful job. In Nigeria, they're doing a wonderful job. So you can attract those people in the second category, 3 of them. First time they buy from you as member, second time onwards, they buy from the company directly, but you make money from them because they're on a network. But the 1 or 2% out of the 10 say, I want to do business seriously. And during this pandemic, there are more of them want to come in that manner, guys. And just bring them 1 partner on the left, 1 partner on the right. And then, if this is a business, you don't take care of yourself, you take care of the 2 people. And you really give your heart and mind and soul to build them. And when you do that, you see the word bless means be less of you, be more than of others. And this is a chance for you to do that. The word mother means more of other. So you serve the 2 people. Service to mankind is a rental you pay to God for the space he has given you on earth. Serve the 2 people. And they will keep on serving, your network will grow, guys. And that's how powerful the system is. 270 of you here. You are a power of 1. Your power of 1 is shaken now. It's very badly shaken because of the pandemic. Your power of self is distorted because of the pandemic. You may be a spiritually strong person. Your human spirit is very strong. But the pandemic has given us a jittery now. And we are a bit depressed now because of that. And then if you don't have a focus, if you don't put something of value, you don't participate in a program like this, then you are going to go in more worse situation now, guys. Because where emotion goes, energy, where energy goes, emotion goes. The word emotion means energy in motion. Most people let go their emotion into anger, into fear, into unwanted things. And that's why they're not getting things in life. And they have the power of the self, power of the 1. And then when you put your heart, mind, and soul to do this business, remember I told you, when you put this energy of your complete self, your beauty self, as what they call in Tamil, I. And that I, when you merge with time, in this time, you only focus on doing super life. What would happen? Your energy will be merged in that. You got no other things to think about. An empty mind is a devil's workshop. A focused mind is an angel's playground. A focused mind is an angel's playground. When you focus, your angels will come to support you guys. And that is the fact of life. And then your intellectual will improve. Because you keep thinking of this, you keep thinking how to improve this, new ideas will come. Intellectually, you will be better. And when you have all this, your vibration will going to improve. Your body vibration will improve. Your way you move will improve. The way you think will improve. I see a lot of people evolving right in front of us. A guy who couldn't speak English today is speaking English to so many people around the world. A guy who didn't have car today have car. So all this will happen to you because your vibration is improved. When your vibration improves, how you interact with the society will improve. If you're angry, when you go to society angry, you'll get back anger energy back. If you're fearful, when you go to society fear, you'll get fear energy back. Society gives you only what you bring to them. So today we give you a powerful way to bring the best energy to them. That's called a love, guys. And when you give love to society, society will give you back love. And then you create your own environment. Your environment is not created by society. Your environment is created by you. Your environment is created in your home. If your home is happy, your emotion is happy, your interaction is happy, physical happy, social happy, your environment will be happy. Then finance, money will come looking for you. Many people are running after money because they are not happy somewhere here. And they are struggling for money. When you are happy, all this, and it works, and the circle works well, then finance will be a flow for you. So what is wellness? Wellness is not absence of illness. Wellness is the presence of complete mental, physical, and emotional well-being. And when you participate in this program, once a month, we have a superstar empowerment. We will go in depth on this. I'm not going to go in depth. I'm just going to go on surface on this. We will have wellness is defined even by WHO, a state in which a human being functions at an optimal level of integration, and body, mind, and spirit. And then the well individual is on who is happy, healthy, and whole. You have to be happy first for money to come. Are you singing because you're happy, or are you happy because you're singing? Today's world is making you to be happy first, guys. When you're happy, singing becomes a natural process. So You have to have spiritual wellness. You have to have emotional wellness. You have to have intellectual wellness. You have to have physical wellness. You have to have social wellness. You have to have vocational wellness. This is the most important thing Superlife is offering you guys. I can work for someone, JOB. Some people say jackass of a boss. I don't cater for that. JOB is JOB, job. And you have not find something you love to do, even you work for a job, you will be very miserable there. But if the job is what you love to do, whether you will make even little income, you will enjoy working there because it becomes a calling in life. What is the difference between job and vocation? The word vocation comes from the word VOC. Voc means Latin word for calling. It's your calling in life. So the day I realized this is my calling in life, I work no more. In fact, I realized that at the age of 22, but I had to go around the world to find back that that is my calling. So today, when we are giving you this calling, and this calling can help you guys. Okay, that's very, very important. Vocational wellness. Somebody is asking me to talk about SCC30. SCC30, you come on Friday. That's on product training. Okay, now, but I'll cover that also now here. Wellness on emotional, spiritual, intellectual, physical, and social well. You see, you're not selling the product, so you don't have to worry about the product. Don't come to study about a product because the product is not to be sold. Only when I'm selling something, then I have to learn the something. Here I'm going to consume. I buy a television. I don't have to worry what's behind the television. I use the television to watch what movie I want. Use the product to get what you want in life, guys. It's about wellness care. Wellness care. Okay. Wellness care begins with a good career. Pillar 1, social career. A career which helps you socially, financially, physically, and also community-wise. And we are giving you that in this super powerful system. And you can have a very powerful workplace. When your workplace is happy, you work no more. And that workplace is right from your home, work from home. And your work from home is going to be happy because you're going to work from your heart. And when you're working from your heart, you're working feeling happy. When you're working feeling happy, you work from home. Home is where your heart is where your home is. Okay? Now, Superlife will help you in this area of your life. Superlife is product SCC30 is going to be the foundation product for you. It's a shield that protects you against any viruses that's going to come. It's a shield because it's protecting your cells. And that cells needs complete food. It's a cell equalizer, body, mind, and soul balancer, cell enhancer, and it's going to give you subtle energy to rotate your cells. You see, the subtle energy that rotates the soil in Sanskrit, we call it Shukshma. There is an energy rotating in your cells, guys. It rotates like a fan belt. And that's why in Buddhism, they call it like a fan. They call it swastika. It runs like a fan belt. And that fan belt must be rotating always. And SCC30 helps your cells fans to run. If your cells fans don't run, your cells won't work, they die. So when the cells are working very well, your tissues are working very well, your organs are working very well. When your organs are working very well at 59 like me, I can think like 25, I can act like 25. So that's what we are trying to do with SCC30. My health is my wealth. And then we have SIC. SIC is a protection against what's happening around. Immunity booster. SCC30 alone can do the job, but we need a booster, guys. Because we got 12 vital organs to run our systems. We got 5 vital organs to run our immunity system. Immunity system is your first doctor, your first defense mechanism. And if they are going over time, you're going to have problem everywhere. Inflammation will be created in your body. So we have SIC to support your 5 organs. Then we have SEC to cleanse your colon. The colon is your headquarters of your body. Your gut is in fact your headquarters of your body, not your heart. If your heart, your gut is clean, your process takes care better, then what happens? Your immunity got better place to stay. 80% of immunity is actually in your colon. So we have a very powerful colon cleanser. And also now a lot of people are sitting. I'm sitting here sometimes 2 hours, 3 hours. So I need something to burn my fats also. So we have a Sanitron here to burn the fats. So that is another powerful product we have. Then we have Ascensi. Today, as young as 3 years old, a baby is given a phone in the hand, but it's affecting the neuron system. We have another powerful neuron care system to take care of that. So we don't have only just SCC30, we have SIC, SSC, SNC. We have complete food for your cells, complete protection of your cells, and then complete enhancer of whole performance, health-wise. And that is what our product does for you. So when you participate in the system, you're getting all that, guys. Then, of course, now we need to have daily prayer, daily meditation, and daily exercise. Combined with this, your new norm is going to be the best norm ever. And that's what we are giving you now. A chance for you to have cellular care, colon care, immunity care, and neuron care. So STC30 has got these 15 nutritions. You have to go around, the market, you have to go around your home, you have to go around the country to go and look for all these 15 nutrition in one place. We have that in one sachet. And it's all in nanotechnology. Nano means 1 billion of the molecules. When I put a headphone without wireless, that's what I'm doing. And same thing here. We went to the box of the tree and got this. And it comes from Mibal Biochemistry. Mibal Biochemistry just celebrated the 30 years birthday, guys. So they are systems that based on Mother Nature. So we work with Mother Nature using science. So that is somebody who asked me a question on C-study. This is the one, guys. You see, someone who sits here, if you are sitting on mind base, your mind will be restless. You want to know more. But if you are sitting on body phase, you won't sit here. You'll just go off because body can sit only 15 minutes on a chair. Mind can sit for 45 minutes, but soul can sit forever. That's why a girl who loves a man or man who girl love, they can sit for hours and talk for hours. They don't even know if a plane hits them. And that is what we're helping you to, guys. Sit on the soul level and listen to what we are sharing. You'll get the best of what we are giving you. STC30 will do that for you. SIC will help your immune care. Today, my wife cooked for me this moringa. I told her we must take the picture of moringa and sell. Moringa, when I was growing up in my village or my estate, around my house, we used to have moringa tree. Moringa tree is like a protector for our home. It protects the home from electricity, from lightning strike. And even those days, we didn't have a toothbrush and all that. We used to use the stem to brush our teeth. And then moringa is a very powerful immune booster, guys. So we have moringa now. When this lady was trying to come and sell us, she had one pack. She was trying to push us the other pack. My wife said, "No, man, buy both." He said, "Sir, even if you cannot cook, you can soak it water. You can just drink the water because it will help you a lot in your immunity now." And that is what we have in SIC, guys. You don't have to go and buy a lot of this. Just drink this. And then combine together with all the other powerful tools. This is a super duper immune booster. We have friends here. I know one of the guys sitting here in the room from Singapore who took care within 3 days is corona attack, guys. Okay. So that is the power of this. And then we have colon care. Colon care is one of the best product ever. In fact, I was involved with the company to create this. They asked my idea. So I told them to add this amalaki. Amalaki is a special fruit that's only found in Himalayas. In Himalayas, every month of March, they pray to these trees because they believe that it's an angel that came down from heaven to give us support, amalaki. The word ama means bad energy. The aki means old age. If you take away your bad energy from your body in your system, you can leave old age, guys. And that's what longevity is all about. If your stomach is not clean, your stomach is not taken care of properly, you will die early. And that's why they say constipation and indigestion is the fastest wheel to the grave. So we have a super duper product, not only to cleanse your colon, to manage your colon, but to take care of all your digestive organs, guys. So they have proper digestive system going on. And now with Sinatron there, it's a very powerful tool now for us to burn this thing while we're doing. And I can see the changes in me also. It's helping me a lot. Okay. Now, SNC. Oh my God. SNC is a must, guys. SNC is a must product for everyone now because we cannot be without a phone. You see, I'm using my iPhone to talk to you all. I'm using my laptop to present. I'm using 2 gadgets now here. I'm using 2 lights. I'm using 2 Zoom lights. All these are creating what you call unwanted energy for me. And they're going to harm myself if I don't protect it. I wear specs to protect my eyes, but that's not enough. My organs are open. The biggest organ that we have is our skin. And when you are excited like this, you're enthusiastic, the pores open up. So it absorbs. So we need this, guys, SNC. And SNC has got saffron, very expensive. It only comes from Middle East. Younger days, our mothers used to give the pregnant ladies, they say, if you take this saffron, you will have fairer child. But that is just to lure them to take it. But the idea is they can have natural birth without any cesarean. And when they take this, their nerve system will be relaxed. If they have a mother who has to go through one of the worst pain ever, because childbirth is the highest pain of all pains in the human body. And if a mother has to go through that, this can relax. That means what about your pain and eye pain during this pandemic now? People are going through depression, capillaries are shrinking, and nervous breakdown is happening. Let's help them to relax their system, guys. So you see, we have all the products to take care of you health-wise, guys. And this product, some people say it's expensive. It's only expensive compared to what? Ferrari is expensive and other cars are cheaper. You see, you pay the value for it. You have to compare apple to apple. If you want to make it cheap, very simple. Participate in the system. Any system you're making profit and you buy from the profit is no more expensive, guys. And that is the idea of the system. You buy the system, you share the business, and then you enjoy your life. Okay. Now, how do you share this business to global market? How to make big money, fast money in simple way? 255 of you here. Very simple. If you, one of you really understand what I'm sharing now from your soul level, today the world is pushing us to go to soul level, guys. If you can listen to me from soul level, you don't have to go to any place of worship to realize that you are a powerful soul. We are all a spiritual being with a soul energy. If you can use that soul level and listen from that, don't use your ears, don't use your mind. Listen from your soul. And if you can listen to that, one person listens, million souls will change worldwide. And we are giving you a very powerful tool right from the comfort of your phone. You can, the whole world is in your phone now. 5.4 billion people are sitting in your phone. You are chatting away, talking away, we are wasting our time. Our greatest asset God has given us is time, guys. I see lately my good friend Dr. William here has gone into TikTok. So I also went to TikTok. I see a lot of people from so many parts of the world are in TikTok now. But yeah, some of them, they are just wasting the time. But they are very talented, more talented than the actors and singers. But if that is not going to give them value, it's going to be just waste of time. But some people, I know one lady who the entire 2020, she just TikToked away and she became very popular. Today, she created a brand, and that brand is very popular. She created agents to sell the brand. If you have that, go ahead. But if you're going to waste your time in TikTok, might as well come in here. What are we going to teach you? We're going to cuff yourself, guys. Your soul energy is the purest of purest of purest energy. The pure energy will be wasted. You're going to waste on unwanted things. They're giving you a chance to participate in a global digital pipeline. You're going to lay a pipeline from your home to a virtual pipeline from your home to many parts of the world. And you're going to have at the other end of the pipeline souls to have changed themselves health-wise, wealth-wise, and financial-wise. And when they change themselves, all that area of life, they're going to thank you. And that's going to give you a very powerful soul satisfaction career for you. And money will flow for you naturally, guys. And that's why we say, start local, go global. We didn't know this pandemic was coming in 2017. But we prepared ourselves. Chance favors a prepared mind. We don't know what's going to come. Bill Gates said, within the next 25 years, maybe there might be another worse pandemic than this. At least here we are given chance to prepare ourselves. And now God has given such a powerful tool to prepare ourselves. We may not be around. We are now hitting 60s and all that. But the young guys like Mahesh Bhubadi, like Nick Lim, like Darvina, like so many people around the world, if they see this the right way, many people's life is going to change according to the new way of things, guys. So we are asking you to come to a new norm and work with the new self and then enjoy this. If handphones can change their versions, if TVs can change the version, if laptops can change the version, why should we be the old version always? Pandemic now is pushing us to change to a higher version of us, guys. And this is a powerful tool to change your version. Okay. So before I end the session, SuperLife saves lives health-wise. We are saving lives worldwide. A lot of people, you go to Google, go to YouTube, do your own search and research. SuperLife is not in question now. You are in question. Do your search and research. You see lots and lots of testimonies. You can put STC30 and you can put any sickness in the world. You can see testimonies on that. And these testimonies, not companies making claim. In fact, SuperLife is one of the most neutral company I've ever seen. They don't do anything. It's we leaders who are doing it because that's the best way to do it, guys. They gave us a very powerful platform. We have to move the platform. And that platform is now open for all of you. You can sit down outside there. You can criticize the platform. You can condemn the platform. You can curse the platform. But nothing is going to happen to you. Or you can come in. You can take the chance to change your life and then to make a choice of that. Take a choice to change your life and take this chance to improve your life, guys. Okay? So health-wise, SuperLife creates GPI global pipeline, wealth-wise, and SuperLife builds personalities, leadership, like people like Mahesh Bhubadi. I assure you, maybe in another 5 years, it's going to be the most powerful presenter, most powerful. Maybe he's going to create his own company as CEO. Every time I train young people like this, I always tell them, train like you're going to run your own network marketing company in 10 years' time, 20 years' time. Don't train like you're going to be a distributor. Company needs distributor, but we need leaders, guys. You need to become a leader. Okay? So SuperLife builds personalities leadership-wise. Life is super with Superlife. Dr. Maha, continuous and never-ending learning leader of Superlife. And that's what we want. We call it in Japanese term, Kaizen, continuous and never-ending learning. Superlife, life is super. Thank you so much. Over to you, Mahesh.